Hey guys, and welcome to the Online Computer Coaching Podcast with Tyson Anderson. And first of all, I'd like to say a very big thank you for listening into the podcast, and hopefully you can strap in and enjoy the journey. Today will be a little bit of an introduction to online computer coaching, a little bit about myself and my goals for online computer coaching. So recently I created this website, onlinecomputercoaching.com, for a few reasons. A, I really like technology. B, I love talking about it. And C, I wanted a little bit of an archive and an area where people can learn technology, get into the IT industry, and also develop their skills and also become aware of where they're heading in their IT career once they have made it. And I thought this would be a great little portal for everyone to just either get started in technology and learn the basics at the very least, even go through some certification based training, learn some of the basics there, and really get a hold of the technology field, and at the very least get started into it. My goal is to get one person, over to technology to change their career path to that. It's a nice career. So a little bit about myself. I was born in 1994. I've recently completed my university degree, Bachelor of Information Technology. I was very pumped to get that finished and underway. I'll make another podcast detailing a few more intricate details on that one in a future podcast. But completed that, which I'm absolutely rapt about. And at the start of last year, I got a position as an IT support officer at a global clothing company, which I was, again, really stoked about and couldn't believe my eyes. I still feel like a superstar. It really hit me hard then, and I'm so blessed to be working there. It's real. I've learnt so much there as well. I'll delve into the tasks I do probably in a future podcast as well. But looking at the day-to-day tasks, again, it's a lot of dealing with end users, their computers and the devices they deal with, and sort of any network issues users may have as well. It ranges each and every day. There's never 2 days that are exactly the same, so that keeps it exciting and different. But I'll certainly delve into some more, details later in the piece on how I go about it each day, what I learn on a day-to-day basis, and that'll most certainly help any of you listeners listening in. So essentially this podcast, and more specifically my website, will just be a nice little portal and place to be able to learn about technology. I've got plenty of videos I've created already, which are primarily on YouTube, but I also have them linked back to my site as well, so people can access them through my free computer training tab on online computer coaching. So that's just onlinecomputercoaching.com/free training. And yeah, I'm really excited to get stuck into this project. I'm keen to get people learning as much as they can about the technology world, get them learning a bit about certifications, learn about what they can do on the job, how they get their first full-time position, and how they can develop their career as well, and the steps to take from there. So this will be a full round approach of education from before you get a job, also the college/university side of things, how I fared throughout university, getting my degree, and I'll certainly delve into many tools and techniques that I used to help me get through my university degree, and also delve into the tools and techniques I use on my day-to-day job, and how to approach certain problems, problem-solving methodology, and all those kinds of things. So thank you for listening in to this podcast. I really appreciate you joining in, listening to me, taking time out of your day to hear what I've got to say. So I'm really excited to get this underway. Without further ado, if you want to go back to the show notes on the website, which is onlinecomputercoaching.com/podcast/EP1. And that will just sort of summarize basically what I've said. Kept it pretty short and succinct, but also nice to have a bit of a text version there for you guys. And if you want to subscribe to my mailing list, you can just simply go to my website, and it should be pretty easily available. So just type in your email address, and I'll update you whenever a podcast is available. And you can also subscribe to this on iTunes as well to just keep up to date and see what's going on and see what I'm talking about. It'll be a very, very much a free range of topics that I'm going to discuss. It'll be sort of education, career, education, further education on your career and things like that. So Very excited. Thanks for joining in, guys. Have a nice day, and thanks again.